If you feel like no matter what you do, you don't move forward, let me tell you, it's not because you're lazy. It's only because your brain is following instructions that were written before you even knew how life worked. Yep. You see, most of your mental and emotional, for that matter, wiring was installed when you were a child. You know, before emotional intelligence, before logic, before Google. So yes, right now, your adult goals might probably be run by a 7-year-old whose main strategy was avoid pain, stay safe, don't get rejected. That's really very sweet, but it's not great for success. So here's the good news, and this is neuroscience. It's not motivational fluff. Your brain is plastic. You've heard of neuroplasticity. It changes based on what you repeatedly imagine, feel, and focus on. So right now, just for 10 seconds, I'm going to invite you to close your eyes and to imagine yourself already having made it, whatever made it for you means. And notice one detail, your face, your posture, or maybe how calm your body is feeling. And let that feeling land, anchor it. You know, put your thumb and your second finger together, anchor it. Neural pathways, they get pruned just like a rose bush. New ones get built. And imagination is not childish. Imagination, it's the brain's planning software. Transformation does not happen through working and forcing yourself harder. It happens through rewiring what your nervous system expects. And your brain is not fixed. Your brains, or I should say your patterns, are not permanent. And your past is not your future. You see, a changed mind creates a changed life. One new decision, one new image at a time. And honestly, your inner 7-year-old is really ready for an upgrade.